Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we're going to open a box which got shipped to me from Hawaii, and I believe that this is fancy Indian clubs. The company offered to send me these through the recommendation of Red Force Chinese Boxing. Red Force Chinese Boxing talks to me about this stuff all the time. We're always discussing products and equipment, and oh, here we go. So, Wave Chi. That's actually really cool. Okay, so we have one here, we have two, and we have another box. Wave Chi, Indian club swinging log on the back. Switch direction after every set of 5 motions until you reach 50 total. 50 heart shapes on the frontal plane each day for 30 days. 1,500 total muscle memory. That's cool. That's a mini program on a card. 555555. I don't really know what it means, but we'll figure it out. Second box. Well, I wonder if it's the same thing, if we just got 2 sets for testing. So this company is supposed to be making these in Hawaii, not making them overseas. Ah, yes. So, others. I believe the weight on these was supposed to be 1.25 pounds. Okay, I really like these. They're hollow all the way through so that they're not solid. Handle's a little bit bigger. Let me grab, are they the same weight? I can't quite tell. They feel like about 1.25. I think they're supposed to be 1.25. So this is compared to the low jest clubs that are available on Amazon, which are solid polypropylene essentially. I think these are gonna be way nicer. These always feel like a compromise, the low jest ones from Amazon. The handle feels a little bit thin to me. This feels a little bit better. The distribution of weight, and I like that little bit more lever on there. The whole idea is we're looking for products to work with this training for overweight and deconditioned individuals program. Many people have a hard time standing up when they are deconditioned, and most programs are not targeted at them. They involve running, they involve jumping, and most people get so sore from trying to do way too much too soon that they stop doing the program altogether and they learn that they cannot succeed. And that's not what we want to do. So we have been making a program focusing on Indian clubs where we are breaking down simple movements in an effort to get people to stand up for longer and longer periods of time, work on breathing, connect that to movement, and keep people occupied in the mind. Treadmills were originally a Victorian torture device used for prisoners. Treadmills were actually invented for that reason. So most people, when they say going to the gym and getting on a treadmill feels like torture, that is true. That was the original purpose as I understand it. Indian club swinging has always been a way to occupy your mind because you can come up with an infinite number of movement patterns to do. These feel really good. Just run through some of the basics here. Yeah, these feel really nice. Indian clubs have always been a way to get people to go outside and occupy their mind for periods of time. The way that we have designed our program is the first series is just holding a club in one hand and having people break down movements into certain pieces because most people are not good at learning new physical skills because they probably haven't done it since they were a kid. So we need to take complex skills, break them down into small pieces, have them be repeated, and then have them add up in a series until people get a couple of thousand reps. Usually 10,000 reps at the short side will allow people to start to feel comfortable doing something. But we're looking for, 80,000 reps total. And the way that we do that's all math. We're always looking for products that can support that. And if they are made in America, then that's even better. So thank you to Wave Chi in Hawaii for sending out these Indian clubs. And I'm gonna start using these right away because they actually feel a lot better than the other clubs that I have.